It's super perfect for the occasion. Locs in progress. Okay? Please be patient with me. Oh. This is the time. Look into your eyes. Hey y'all, what it do? It's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, aka LAL. Thanks for tuning into my channel. So let me show y'all this shirt. It's super perfect for the occasion. Locs in progress. Okay? Please be patient with me. Oh. So yeah, today I'm doing a 1 month starter lock update. Woo woo. Y'all, I'm super excited. Happy we made it to a month. We are making it. So let's go ahead and hop into this video, shall we? So I started my lock journey on April 26th with 2-strand twist and interlocked roots. So y'all can see I got 2-strand twist and my roots are interlocked. So let me try to get a little bit closer. See? So like that's the new growth. Can y'all see that? It's not too bad considering that I interlocked the roots. I think had I not done that, I did that to prevent slippage, but had I not done that, I think I would have a whole lot more than what I got. We would have a whole lot more than what we got right now. So I did my first wash last week without a retwist or a retie, and I was still trying to decide, did I want to go with interlocking, continuing to interlock my roots, or if I wanted to retwist. And I'm really thinking I'm leaning towards the twisting. So I think I'm gonna just, roll it. We're gonna roll it. But yeah, so some definitely have more growth than others, because like it's certain ones, not up in here where they at. Like here, that's quite a bit. Right there. Right here, another one. This one's okay. It's okay. But yeah, y'all, so y'all, the AC is blowing because Vegas is real hot out here, okay? So the AC is really going, and y'all probably hear this clock ticking. I'm in here where all my workout stuff is at. See, this is where I be getting my workout on, y'all. So I'm up in chill to talk to y'all real quick. I didn't want to go in my beauty room to record this video today. I just wanted it to be like real, up close and personal, comfortable for y'all. And so I came up in here. I was like, make it a little bit less formal, you know what I'm saying? You heard me? So yeah, baby. So I plan to wash and retwist at 6 weeks, which is 2 weeks away. So yeah, it'll be a total of 6 weeks and 2 more weeks. So we're gonna roll like that. So when I wash it again, that's when I do the retwist. I will film it and bring y'all along with me, because y'all supposed to be, checking out this journey right here, seeing what your girl is doing, how it's working out for your girl, and that way, if you are leaning towards doing it, you may not have to wait as long as I did, to pursue the journey. So so anywho, how y'all, let's talk about styles that I've been rocking these girls in. Y'all know I love wigs. Okay, I've been an avid wig wearer for how long have I been wearing wigs? Since about 20 no, earlier than that. When I first started wearing wigs, I was wearing half wigs. So it was about 2009, I want to say. And then I started getting into it, but I didn't start my channel until like 2012. So anywho, how it has been so nice just being able to get up after going to sleep, put a bonnet on to go to sleep, and just take that bad boy off, pop it off, and I could either have it like I got it now. I got it down since I'm doing this video for y'all today, because I want to show y'all like the texture and stuff like that. But I would put it up in like a pineapple, especially like if I'm working out. Sometimes I do a pineapple just to lift it up off my neck. And it's really cute. The pineapple look real wild, but I like it. And then half up, half down, that's one of my faves. It's not too much down, but it's, you know, it's just right. You know what I'm saying? Yes, just be hitting just right with the half up, half down. And then the 2 ponytails, that is so adorable. I love that. I look like I'm every bit of 5, but I really like that. So I haven't done a whole lot, and when I do, I try not to pull them like too tight. I loosen at the root so it's not pulling too tight. But I usually do style my little baby hairs if I'm doing a style. Right now I'm not really, so I just left it so y'all can see what we're working with. Okay, up close, personal, raw, down to the point. This is what it is. You heard me? So yeah, y'all, I missed it daily. Okay, you have to do what works for you on this journey, but I noticed that when I do that, it's not as wiry. You know, I can style it, you know, without it being stiff and feeling so dry. So I do missed it. You know, I live in Vegas. We do not have the best water, so distilled water is really good. Let me show y'all the bottle. I got this bottle from Amazon. I will try to find the link and drop it down below for y'all. But it's super cute. It says just water spray bottle, and it kind of look like wine. Isn't that adorbs? I love this. So that's what I be doing, just like this. Let me show y'all how I work it out. So I take it. I'm trying not to wet up my glasses, y'all. Some of y'all probably didn't even know I wore glasses. Yes, your girl's blind. I don't have them on all the time, though. Sometimes we do contacts. Sometimes we just roll, you know, unless I got to drive. I got to bring them with me. Or, you know, wear some type of prescription sunglasses. But anyway, y'all. So I do a little something like that. And I started doing it to where it would hit the roots, too. So I do a little something like that. Spray. And, yeah, that's pretty much how. And then while it's still kind of damp, I don't, like, try to drench it up. Like, you know, if it's washed or whatever, then I'm going to probably take the hairdryer to it, because I don't want to deal with no mold or mildew or nothing of that nature. Because my hair is really good at holding in water, you know, if I over wet it. But spraying it, because my scalp was super itchy. But when I start spraying my scalp with the water and also applying the oil, y'all, I use this oil right here. Yeah, I mix with water, and then I make sure that I, you know, add some to get a little bit of misted water on my scalp, and then I apply my oil, you know, every few days as need be. I use the New Life Growth Serum from my shop, Lovely Angel Shop, from my online store. My hair growth oil, Lovely Angel Shop. So that's what I use on my scalp. That was really good. I really like it because it has jojoba oil and argan oil, tea tree oil, black currant seed oil, mint crystals, vitamin E, and so forth, safflower oil. So get some in your life if you are having issues with a dry scalp. And it's also hair growth oil, so who don't want their hair to grow, you know what I'm saying? So I was using this when I did my first wash. I went in with this Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate this Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter Shampoo for dry damaged hair by Maui Moisture Hair Care. That's what I use right here. And it did not lather enough for me. Even though my scalp did not feel dirty after I washed it, it still felt much better. You know, that it needed to be washed, so it still felt better than what it did had I not washed it at all. But your girl went on and ordered this right here by Shea Moisture. This Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Cleanse and nourish. Natural, chemically processed, or heat styled hair. Okay. Boom. So that's what we're using when we do our retwist and we go ahead and wash again in 2 weeks. That's what we're going to be using. And then while it's wet, I either like go on with this right here. This is Rastafari Hair Care. It's Marshmallow Fluff is the scent, I guess it is. But it's Rose Water Conditioning Lock and Body Spray. So I've been putting this like rose water mist I ordered that off of Amazon. I will link that below for y'all as well if y'all interested. It smells amazing. I don't know about marshmallows, but it has a nice soft, really fresh smelling scent. And I didn't get the other one, but I will include a picture in for y'all. The other one is it's also by Maui Moisture, and it's like their curl refresh spray. I showed y'all when I did the last wash, my very first wash video last week. I showed y'all that product. It's like green, and it has aloe. That's one of like the main ingredients in it. And this has really good stuff in it. But what I like for that is my ends, so my ends don't be dry, because they loose, they not twisted on the ends, and I like that little curl, you know what I mean? So I go in with that after the fact. But while it's wet, I'll either take that and, like, you know, spray it through, or I'll use this Rastafari Hair Care Rose Water Conditioner Lock and Body Spray and just kind of go through like that. And y'all, it smells so good. So yeah, that's what we do. Sorry if the AC is like pumping super loud, y'all, but I really want to get this video up for y'all. And let me show y'all my shirt. Ow. Now see, Locs in progress. Please be patient. You heard me? But as far as the texture, let me show y'all. So this is the texture that we're working with now. Y'all can see it's not nearly as much definition as what we had, and it's definitely getting kanky. It's getting some definitely frizziness and stuff. So it's definitely the twists aren't nearly as defined as what they once were. But that's a good thing. So would I say she's giving what she needs to give? Absolutely. Absolutely, I would say so. So I'm loving the journey so far. If y'all are on a lock journey, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to mingle, chat it up with your girl in the comments. If you have questions, let me know. If you're interested in seeing certain videos that I can plan to do for the future, please drop that information down in the comments, or hit your girl up, like DM me on social media or something. Y'all, please do go follow your girl on social media as well. But yeah, I am so far, I'm loving the journey. Just the fact that I could just get up and just, you know, be ready to go. I am really thinking about, I have like 2 weeks from Shein that I need to review, but I didn't know if y'all would still be interested in seeing that. For those who have been following me for a long time, you know, my channel was mainly based off of like a lot of wig reviews. It's beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. So if you would still be interested in that, also let me know. But other than that, we're gonna be getting into these locks, and like I said, it's been 1 month, so we have 4 weeks. We gotta keep on going, y'all. So I can't wait to see what the progress is, even in another 2 weeks, because it's progressing quickly. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's progressing really, really fast. So, but I love them. I love them, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Please do subscribe and join the fam. If you have not made it official and join, please do that. Your girl loves you. I appreciate you so, so much. And please share this video if you know others that are on a lock journey, love locks, or if they just love beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Send them up over your girl's way. Yeah, so that way we can grow the LAL fam. But gotta have y'all in my life. But y'all, it's hot as I don't know what. It's about to be in triple digits in Vegas. So your girl is I'm gonna try to stay up out the heat. I just got back, so I'm a little like out of breath, a little tired. But I got more reels and stuff I gotta put out. I got possibly some clothing hauls and stuff, some Shein and Rainbow and Ross, and y'all got so much to do for y'all. So anyway, do something positive. Y'all stay patient on this journey, like my shirt say. You heard me? One. Yeah, be patient, and we're gonna see how this thing goes. But y'all have a good one, and your girl's gonna catch you next time. Later, loves.